I'll flash your face.
Oh fuck, my hot chocolate. This is why I don't like having my head, this is why I don't like having a hat on.
Tight. I need a body cam. I broke my last one.
I'll get you demonetized. Nigga.
I messed my finger up, bro.
Nigga.
Y'all messing with the fit?
Pussy ass nigga.
Goddamn! Safe to say they need assault. Walking on ice over here.
I am ice.
That's we just had like a 3-hour conversation about ice being bad, and you're just over here like, I am ice. Bro, why is it low-key kind of hot out? Yesterday was freezing.
Low-key? Sun's right fucking there. And low-key, my balls ache. High-key, this shit fucking sucks.
Low-key.
Oh!
What happened?
I went for a little joyride. Oh, you know what? You sit right there. I ain't coming back for you, bitch ass nigga.
Gold old self. Almost fell.
No.
Wait, truck lineup.
Huh?
Truck lineup.
Pussy. Get a real one. Hey, look, it's shitty ass Ford.
Some Fords are good, believe it or not. Like the new one that they're coming out with a new F-150 and it has a desk in it, bro. Yes, it does. You can put your desk in it. It's literally a mobility hack from Fortnite.
You're talking about the 450.
Yeah,
No.
Ford F-150.
You're talking about the 450, not the F-150.
I got ads and it said 150, so I don't know.
It's 450. Cause I'm getting a Ram 1500. All it needs is a rear end.
I don't even know if we're allowed to be leaving campus.
If you're done all your tests, you can leave.
Alright, bet.
So, I just left.
Bro, it looks like we're living in Antarctica, bro.
You need help, bud? You need help? You need help?
No, I'm good. Thanks.
Cause I'll help you.
I am all set.
Okay.
Exercise for me.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make money now.
I hear you.
I'm
Valid.
to the point where I'm getting 500 by the end of tonight.
Bro, I get $500 a week, bro. From my job, bro. Yeah, I do. It's online.
Yeah. That's what I've been doing lately. I've just been going around Skowhegan trying to figure out some place to work. But have a good one. I'm gonna refill my tank.
Bro, from here, I live like 4 miles away. From where we're standing right now, I live like 4 miles down the road. The opposite way we're walking.
You're gonna have someone come get you.
Nah, I walk. Ain't that deep. I was walking yesterday when it was -3.
I did it.
Bro said he doesn't live far and we're like halfway down the fucking interstate.
No, this ain't the interstate.
We're about to be to the interstate.
This ain't even the interstate. The interstate's that way.
Oh, I'm dyslexic.
It is.
Or whatever it's called with directions.
Hold on.
What house did, which house tortured me and forced me to do their fucking lawn during community service day?
Down that way.
Where's vaping?
I too did. This fucking shit sucks. Hold on.
Right, you gotta watch out for cops, man. They can't have a record. Yeah.
I already have a record.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, big ass truck.
That's gonna be cold.
Right here. That's a fucking house that forced me to do fucking the yard on community service day. I know. Here he comes.
All right. You guys not?
We
No.
had tests today.
MCI is weird when it comes to exams. I've never heard that you can leave campus before 12.
I'm a sophomore. Going into junior.
Uh-huh.
I came from a dangerous school to a private school. That's crazy.
We had an argument with the teacher trying to figure out if
Say many years ago when my
This kid.
I was out the fucking gun. Have a good one.
Have a good day. Bro just shoveled someone's driveway for money. Or whatever that is. Yeah. I mean, money's money. Hear me out. Some money.
I got told but he's shoveling some old lady's driveway. Yeah, I live right there.
Oh, that's crazy. You live right there? Truck line up yet again.
Huh?
Said truck line. Oh.
Oh, dude, that's dog.
Another beautiful fucking construction vehicle. Ugly ass trailer. Bro, I'm cooked. Bro, if my grandmother fucking pulls up, I'm cooked, yo.
Where's she
My
live?
parents don't care, but
Where's she live?
all the way to where I live.
Wait, your grandmother?
Yeah, she just fucking drives random places for no reason. She's senile. Like, my parents
Start
don't
running?
care where I am.
Start running?
Huh?
Start running?
Nah, we're good. I'm just saying, if I see a silver car, I might just ditch you. I'm not gonna lie.
Skip you, never mind. Fuck that. I was thinking about it.
Yeah. Because my grandmother's Christian. She don't believe in fucking people running off from school and shit. She'd be like, yeah, that's Satan work. Yeah, that's Satan's work right there. That's evil.
Oh my god.
Like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
You're committing a felony. You're running from school, children.
Hey, I'm not a child. How old are you?
15.
I'm 16. I'm older than you.
Bro got his girlfriend pregnant. Bro, I'm too fucking bitch to do that, bro.
Well, also, you don't have a good person to actually get pregnant.
Yeah, true.
But that's you, not me.
Trucks. Bro, why is 90% of trucks are the only thing I see in Maine, bro?
Because
I miss like New York
hold
and
on.
LA and shit where I'd see Lamborghinis and Corvettes and
Maine?
Ferraris and shit.
Maine is 100% a muddy place.
Yeah.
So why would you want to drive cars, sports cars and shit? You can't drive Lamborghinis, man.
Good question, bro. If we like fix up a road, get a little bit more luxury, get a little bit more pay money, shit like that, then yeah, we would be driving around like Bugattis and McLarens and shit. But no,
You want to go do another one with me?
veteran, you.
They're veterans.
Yeah, like right here, this is like the 3 mile mark. Like right here. From where I live. Nah, whatever. I walk like 40 miles a day anyways. I ain't no fucking broke. I ain't no fucking lazy ass bum. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, I thought that was a cop. I thought we were cooked. I literally turned around and I turned around and I'm like, that better not be a cop, bro. I'm sprinting off like a little bit, bro.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Yeah. His phone is.
Huh?
Said, his phone is. Slow children.
Yeah.
Can't see. Oh, it's funny. My room at my apartment, it's just a tiny bit bigger. But at my actual house, down the road and shit, bro, so much better. The only thing you have to worry about is a roof and shit, bro.
All you gotta worry about is the roof.
Yeah, because I live in a, again, like, expensive house, but not that expensive because I have, like,
Take your shoes off so they don't get fucking shit chopped all over the place.
yeah.
I've been living here for half my life. So I was 4 when I lived in Barnum. I am 16 and I live in Pittsfield.
Tight.
I used to live all over the place. I went from Pittsfield, Barnum, Pittsfield, Barnum, Pittsfield, Barnum.
Bro, look at these fire-ass posters, though.
My whole flag. Try that in a small town. I'd rather get lost in the woods than find
Jesus, only
Jesus,
hope
I only
2024.
hope,
I'd
We
rather
the
be
people
lost
easily
in the
distracted
woods.
by the old trucks. I should have cleaned my room.
It's somewhat better than mine.
You should see mine fully clean. This ain't even somewhat what it is. Mine's fully somewhat better than what.
Why the hell is your bathroom low-key kind of better? Nah, actually, I can't say that. Because I got 3 sinks in my bathroom and 2 toilets in my bathroom. But it's low-key kind of better than my apartment.
Wait, do you live?
I live in a house and then at my dad's I live in an apartment.
So, where do you live right now?
Right now I'm in a huge house
Where?
up on Davis,
Where the fuck's that?
near train tracks.
Oh, you live over by house over goods right now, dude?
I could show you pictures, but I don't think I have any.
You can stop walking. That's all I got. Sit down. Big break.
Leave in his room for a second.
I got my English all up.
He's back.
Huh?
Out of the house. Huh? Holy crap, yeah, swings and shit. Yeah.
How long are you gonna be recording for?
I just do it until I get home. During walks and shit. Hey, I'm only doing this like to stream on YouTube because apparently you need fucking 50 shit for that. Like, what the fuck are we on about, bro?
50 what?
Subs. Yeah, the stream.
You don't have to. You don't need 50 subs.
They changed it because apparently it just gives you too much fucking potential. Like,
That's
motherfucker.
fucking gay.
Exactly.
No, the shit that I do, I work, eat, sleep, fall asleep.
Yeah, because streamers are making like 500K a year. And YouTube's like, nope, can't be having that.
I mean, it's.
That's why fucking Twitch is better.
That's why Rifle fucking stopped what he was doing. Rifle, the YouTube channel creator,
I don't know who that is.
look him up. He's kind of fun. His girlfriend likes the shit talking. Well, I'm pretty sure that's everyone's girlfriend.
Yeah.
Except mine and yours.
Oh no, it's mine.
So yours likes the shit talk.
Yeah.
When I mean shit talk, is talk bad about you.
Oh no, no.
His, on the other hand, likes to fucking ruin his streams. Like, he only makes YouTube shorts. He plays Fortnite while doing them with the little kids. And they tell him that he can't be doing this or that. But his girlfriend wants him to do this, that, and this.
Ah.
Like, go make your food or some shit. And then fucking go around saying how he's a shitty person.
That's crazy, bro. There's a person coming.
Where? That's his cat.
Huh?
That's cat lady. She has 4 cats.
Got it. Yeah, but you know how people can be nowadays. You never know.
Yeah.
Like, my dad used to be a seller before he got fucking reported, and now he's a felon. He's selling coke and meth and shit.
My dad does drugs.
Ah, yeah, it's not that bad.
No, he does all.
My
sorts
dad
of-
was so bad back then, bro.
My dad did coke. And then
You know, like, I've only seen him for 3 years in my life, bro, because
He
he's
was-
been in federal prison more years than I've been alive.
My father's been in and out of prison. Let's be honest. My father does coke and all the other shit.
Yeah.
All the fancy shit that they have nowadays.
Like,
Like-
which, yeah, I understand that he's changed now, but it's no point in, like, really changing if you've been in prison most of your life.
Yeah.